first. Skip the knife. What is he not talking about? Okay, they're deciding to skip the knife round. Apparently the terrorists want to start on the terrorist side and just going pistol round straight away.
Okay.
That's an easy way to decide it. Jabul taking the first damage to Vengeance and Keme finishing him off with a nice headshot. Bomb is now dropped on the A side, last player's on E-box, moving on to Brown Train, and he's in a bit of trouble. CTs have a very nice crossfire on him, and he goes aggressive, tries to punch the connector guy, but Keme, Reign Supreme, comes and gets the nice headshot on him. That's 2 kills for him on this round, and a pistol round for Kuias. Love to see that. A scout and a UMP against 2 pistols. This should be fast and easy. Both key players looking to go all of them, surprise them on close distances. Vengeance gets back down to low HP by the scout. And the P250 actually finishes them both off. 2 nice headshots with the P250, and that's an eco win for Mayadreams.
Yeah, that's not a thing you see every day.
Well, very nicely played. They closed the distance and just got the headshots. That's all it is.
Yeah, but
still, cities have a FAMAS and a 5.7 to work with against an AK and an SG. First play coming towards the A side. Actually, one CT looking to push behind them. And Keme gets the first frag, and Jabul is right there with the pistol, closing the distance and getting the headshot. That's 2-1 win for the CTs. And the terrorists are once again on a partial buy. Let's see how they play it this time. 2 deagles coming up. If any of the deagle shots so far in this match can tell me anything, it's gonna be interesting to watch what these 2 pistols can do. Playing pretty passively, pushing out the pop dog, trying to guard, but no, Jebul closes out the deagles. Now from Brown Train, Vengeance actually gets the trade to Jebul with the deagle. Not a headshot, but still, it's a frag. Keme is waiting patiently for Vengeance to show himself. He got the bomb, moving it closer to Green Train, trying to flank the opponent. It's almost panned out, but Keme just in the right time, looked in the correct way, and there we have it. 3-1. Once again, win for the Finnish team. And a decent economy is still holding up. They might be on partial buy if they lose this one, but they do have the advantage in the utility anyway, so let's see how they play out. 2 SGs versus M4 and an SG. Ooh, and that's a very nice peek from Jabul, just obliterating Vengeance straight from top of green into May, and nice pick from Clown One as well. Nice headshots going on. CT player holding from top of blue, and he spots him and he gets the spray down, catching him off guard with his knife out. 2 kills for him in this round. He can't get the smoke. That's $300 wasted. And losing 1 weapon is still gonna hurt their economy a bit, but the terrorists are on partial buy, but no, they decide to buy into this round. So Galil with the flashbang, and a Deagle with armor. Molotov to close out any early aggression outside Olaf, and there we go, they're already on top of the sights, and a nice flashbang coming. And the trains gets a frag, but no, the spray down doesn't connect. The bomb is dropped in Sandwich. Vengeance trying to catch off guard, sitting at stop sign, but yeah, we'll read into this and get the frag in the end. Great work once again. 5-1. Terrorists haven't really got the good economy going all match. But we'll just have to see how this plays out. There's one rifle and one deagle with 2 flashbangs. And just very fast early aggression going. Jebul holding passive towards top of the train. And from the left line, Vengeance just rushes him down with the SG and comes close range and finishes off with the deagle. That's a very nice round for Mayadreams. Back and forth, back and forth. Last round of this side, 5-2. If they close this out to 5-3, they might have a good fighting chance, but 6-2, I don't see them coming back anymore. The CPs do have a bit of a rough fight this time. Jebul decides to smoke himself out of push that's coming, but pushes through the smoke. But does he stay? He pushes through the smoke. This might be huge. He creeping up behind, gets the first kill. Does he get the second kill? No, he does not. One nice read from him. Good trade. Straight in the head of Jebul. Came in only with an SMG, no utility, just a decoy with the P250. Madar does decide to check heaven, can't see anyone there. Keme is just holding very passive and oh no, he dinks it, but no, that's not enough. 17 HP, 5-3, good half, boys. Good half indeed. You can once again see here that the communication teamwork of the Finnish side is absolutely on point. 6 kills for both of them, so it's very even. I'd love to see it. Keme and Jebul on the terrorist side, and this time we actually see some utility being thrown. Do we see this? Looks like it's going towards connector, and ooh, a nice headshot in Pop Dog. Coming out of main, and yeah, easy pistol round for them. 5-4, this is getting close. SMGs and a FAMAS with the deagle. One smoke to work with for the terrorists. They do go for the fast play into main, but it doesn't pan out. There was a guy pushing A-box. They can't just connect the shot. Very close to main. Vengeance getting the frag on Ivy, but gets knocked down to only 14 HP. Oh, that's a nice... This deagle is totally on point today. He gets the frag. And this is close. Both are kind of low. Jebul about half HP and Vengeance only 14 HP. Terrorist got the bomb, looking to go towards the Pop Dog, which is a good play at this point because Vengeance is holding from high above. So if he can just there in time, not show himself too much, this might be a good one. He only needs one bullet. Can he spot the guy? Yes, he can spot the guy in heaven. Oh, that's a nice shot once again. That's two nice shots.
It looks like Jebul should be playing deagle all the time.
Yes.
He's so good with it.
Flashbangs to A side. CTs on partial bites. 2 SMG. 1 SMG on both sides and 1 scout on both sides. Bomb is pushing from Pop Dog. This might not go well. Ooh, Jebul does not get shot this time, and terrorist team get just wiped out. I think it's time for Jebul once again to take the deagle and nothing else.
the game in his hands, basically.
It's 2 Galils actually, so without any utility, so this might be a bit difficult. They have to rely on pure aim. It doesn't work out for them. 2 dinks and 2 body shots, and the whole team is gone.
Okay, so it's 6-6.
6-6, very close match once again.
That's an unusual turn of events.
And now they decide to go for the eco. Jabul still going for the deagle. Let's see what ends up for him this time. CT is holding a bit closer. The bomb is going alone to Ivy with just a glow. And James is not looking towards it right now, but oh no, that nade might. Ooh, he gets knocked down to only 34 HP. He's clearly not very happy with that situation at all. Oh no, the Molotov. Is the Molotov gonna freak him? No, the Molotov is gonna miss him. He's gonna live another day, but now it's just bad because he has 2 players on his back. Pushing closer, and there it is. Vengeance comes and gets the bomb. And now it's Jabul with his eagle. The shot doesn't connect. It looked like it was close, but just a nanometer. And we're on 6-7. Buys coming in for both teams. 2 AUGs versus an SG and a Kalash. Good utility for the CTs, not so good for the Ts. Off them, and there we go. Keme already falls down. And Jabul gets smoked out. That's a very bad situation for him. He does have a smoke and a flash to work with, but he has 2 full armored, full utility, full HP CTs to work with. And they seem to be holding him quite tightly on Pop Dog. He needs to find the exact good timing to come out of Pop Dog if he wants to make anything work. If he even decides to come from that. He's just holding in Pop. Just waiting patiently for any aggression, but the CTs are not giving anything. They have lockdown Ivy, they have lockdown Pop and Main. Not giving anything, Jabul has to start working towards it. And he will. Oh, that's a very nice headshot. Flashbang out. Does he know that the other player was also at Ivy? No, he does not, and he goes down. Close round, 8-6. That's a match point, and actually 2 match points for Mayadreams this time. So it's very close. An AVP comes out for the CTs. Flashing outside. Trying to capitalize on that. AVP misses his shot on a green train. Molotov. Oh, that's a bad thing. The only rifle in the game. Oh, and that's it. There we go.
Yep.
AVP gets both shots. 9-6. That's a good game. 2-1 for Mayadreams.